Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to use your pumice stone on the Dolface cosmetic wand and clean your feet off. I'm going to go ahead and fill up this tub. And let's just go for it. You don't have to wet the pumice stone because it's about to get wet with all the water on your foot. You can literally let it do the work for you. Check out all that dirt right there. That's gross. It's all full of dirt. Like if you look at the side right here, these pores on the stone are empty. And these pores are full of dirt. And like when you wash your foot in the bathroom, in the shower, whatever you do, like unless you pumice stone it with your hands or some other tool, all that stuff is still on your foot when you get out of the shower. Just because you step in the water doesn't mean it's gonna really clean it. So something to think about. The pumice stone is one of the attachments that you can wash every single day. If you're using it every single day, it is a stone, so you should be able to use it every day. It lasts a lot longer because it's a stone and it's made out of lava. So just make sure that you rinse it off with some hand soap or some soap and just massage it so you can get that, like the dirt and the dead skin out of the pores of the stone. Thank you so much for watching.